Students will observe, explore, apply, and assess the technology industry. Students will then create an enterprise or business that uses technology to design, manufacture, and produce, and market a product or service for sale.
Basically what you would do there is design and draw an object and then think of ways to manufacture it as well as market it and sell it to others and show how the whole process of a product goes from start to finish.
This course will enable students to develop computer skills, scientific and mathematical concepts, reading, writing, and thinking skills. This is a great class for future engineers and business-minded occupations.